Take a look at this equation. 10 divided by 1/10 times 10. Let's solve this step by step. First, look at the right side. 1/10 times 10. Since 1/10 of 10 is 1, the middle part simplifies cleanly to 1. Now, bring back the starting 10 at the front. 10 divided by 1. And 10 divided by 1 gives us an easy, clean answer of 10. It feels smooth, it feels natural, and it sounds completely confident. But if you solved it this way and got 10, stop right there. That answer is not correct. So, how do so many smart people confidently fall for this? It's because they broke one of the most fundamental rules in all of mathematics, the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS or BODMAS. Let's break down what PEMDAS actually means. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M and D stand for multiplication and division. A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Here is a golden rule that trips almost everyone up. Multiplication does not come before division just because the letter M comes before D in the word PEMDAS. Multiplication and division have exact equal priority. Whenever both appear in a problem, you must solve them strictly from left to right, whichever comes first. When we solved it the first way and got 10, we multiplied 1/10 times 10 before doing a division on the left. That broke the left to right rule. Let's solve it the true, correct way. We have 10 divided by 1/10 times 10. Moving strictly from left to right, we must perform the division first. What is 10 divided by 1/10? Dividing by a fraction is the exact same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So 10 divided by 1/10 is 10 times 10, which equals 100. Now our equation becomes 100 times 10. Finally, we multiply. 100 times 10 equals 1,000. So the true mathematically correct answer is 1,000. Now, let's see if you can spot the trap in the second viral problem. 24 divided by 2, open parenthesis, from -2, close parenthesis. First, they solve inside the parentheses. From -2, which equals 2. Now the problem looks like 24 divided by 2 times 2. Here's where they fail. They multiply the 2 times 2 first to get 4, and then divide 24 by 4 to get an answer 6. If you got 6, once again, that answer is not correct. Why? Because after solving inside the parentheses, you are left with division and multiplication. And just like before, they have equal priority, so you must solve them from left to right. Let's fix it the right way. First, solve the parentheses. For -2 equals 2. Now rewrite the problem. 24 divided by 2 times 2. Working left to right. First, 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Next, 12 times 2 equals 24. The true, mathematically correct answer is 24. Be honest, did you get fooled by either of these traps, or did you get both of them right on the first try? Drop your original answers in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.